How to insert YouTube video in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Sabdina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to YouTube and then open a video that you want to add the link in your Canva video. Simply go to share, then simply copy link. After that, open Canva application. Open a new project. After that, tap on the three-line menu bar. Then from here, this below bottom menu bar, go to apps and then search for embed. This is the app where you will add your YouTube videos for Canva. Open the app and then paste the link here. Then simply tap on add to design and done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.